These are the top 5 Note 10 letdowns. You've seen the phones and you're thinking, what could possibly be wrong with them? What am I missing? Don't worry, true believer, that's why I'm here. Get ready to get let down. At number 5, the missing headphone jack. Yes, this is where the industry is going. The traditional headphone jack is losing out to wireless headphones, or you're looking at dongle life. The idea is that the Note can gain some extra space for a larger battery. Maybe it helps making the Note 10 thinner and lighter. As we all know, the 3.5mm headphone jack usually takes up 1 cubic meter of space and weighs over 3 tons. Whatever. One of the most appealing things about the Note is that it is or was for power users. You want lots of RAM and lots of storage space? You got it. You want a big screen with the best processor inside? Sure thing. The Note is like a pro-level phone. It should be able to do pretty much everything. Kicking out the headphone jack means that you will need a dongle for a wired charge and wired headphones. Didn't Samsung used to make fun of Apple for doing this? At number 4, the iris scanner is dead again. The Note 9 had an iris scanner plus a fingerprint sensor on the back. Then Samsung killed off the iris scanner on the S10, which was like a bad omen for the Note. The Note 10 said goodbye to the iris scanner in favor of the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So why should anyone care about the iris scanner at all? It was pretty dang secure, that's why. You could even use it to make payments with your phone. Samsung was probably motivated to remove the iris scanner to fit as much screen on the face of the device as possible. Again, this falls into the idea that the Note was the everything phone. Now it's like the Galaxy S10's weird boxy cousin. Number 3, how about that camera setup? The Note 10 Plus has the same cameras as a Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Anyone else remember when the Note would get the top of the line, cutting edge tech first? Those days are long gone. I'm not saying those cameras are bad, far from it. Samsung did add some snazzy new features on the camera, like super steady video. Take a look at it compared to video from a Note 9. That's pretty nice. Then there's 3D scanning, which is on the Note 10 Plus only. Look, you can make a stuffed animal dance. Number 2, the microSD card slot is Note 10 Plus only. I'm beating a dead horse here, I know. The Note is for power users. Power users like having lots of space. Want the smaller Note with more storage than 256 gigs? Forget it. There is no expansion on the Note 10, and there is no 512 gig version. 512 gigs and beyond is the domain of the Note 10 Plus only. Come on. And the number 1 letdown is the lack of parity between the Notes. The Note 10 Plus is the real successor to the Note 9. It has most of the power features of older Notes. The Note 10 is this light edition. You get the same look as the 10 Plus, but with fewer features. Look at the S10 and the S10 Plus. They both have the microSD option. You can get an S10 with 512 gigs of internal space without having to go up to the Plus. The S10 and S10 Plus have the same screen resolutions as each other. The Note 10 devices don't have this. Why not? What is happening? The Note 10 is more like the S10e. Maybe it should have been called the Note 10e or something silly. Are you getting a Note 10 or 10 Plus or Note 10 Plus 5G? Let me know. I'm Zach Tar and I'll see you online.